Hello everyone. So just inside Dollar Tree here, and as soon as I walked in I spotted these. A couple weeks ago I found them at other Dollar Trees, but I wasn't expecting to find any here, so they must have just been put out. These are great little houses, and all of the tiny little pieces are here as well. So they have a variety. I just wanted to share. You can paint these white, you can paint them all brown and turn them into gingerbread houses with little white details. You can keep them as is, and they light up as well. But I like that they have some texture to them as well, and all the little pieces added around the little homes. Has anyone used them? I love this one. I just love the little front awning. They have all the little mini picket white fence, the little brown fence, all the little pieces. So if you want to put a full winter scenery together, you can. Look at the little fire, so cute. Lots of floral, great variety of different picks. This one almost has like a pink undertone. It is more of a champagne, but definitely not, doesn't pull on yellow. And then they have a ton of glass vases. This little red truck is selling out everywhere. They have a little car, but the little red truck, I haven't seen these in a couple of years. These are great for making the little angels, the glass angels with the bottle. LED candle with the timer, and it has like that vintage feel. Super cute. Lots of ornaments. Suddenly got really busy in the Christmas section, so I think I'll just circle back. But I'm in the kids area, and look how cute these little rings are. And you can repurpose them into your crafts. If you're a paper crafter, you'll see a little embellishments. Look at the Little Mermaid. Oh, these would be cute too. You can turn them into gingerbread, or you can use them for your elf on the shelf. They can have a tea party. Along with this here, so you can turn this one into a gingerbread house and paint it brown, add little white features. This is amazing for an advent calendar. You can just attach them, and there's 4 placements to each compartment. Back in the Christmas section, so I had seen the Snowman Countdown of this one, but not the little truck or the Santa. So these are magnetized, great for a kiddo counting down. They also have these little dishes. I don't think they're spoon rests. Many of you have suggested to use it as a spoon rest, but I just feel like it's too deep. It might be better for something else if you have ideas. I saw these at Walmart, and they were a lot more expensive than they are here. Very cute novelty wear. So if you have like a party, these have little jingles in them. I have one. I love it. And they have table runners this year, which we didn't have last year. Fun for a crafting night or a kid's party. These are pillow covers. I think there are 3 out there. Have you been using the LED candy canes? Do they work well? They do take batteries, so you have to supply batteries. I think this is new this year, but lots of dishware still available. I love the snowflake print in the small plate. Like this one here, it's just my favorite. And then this one's the new one this year. So they also have a large plate. You can see it in behind here. The tree print is different on the large print, on the large plate. And this is the large plate of the snowflake. Very pretty. It's timeless, I think, too. And then they have the glasses. These are all wine glasses. They're glass. These are new this year, aren't they? I wish that there were different colors, but so pretty. They have a little bead in the center as well. These are new. I love how Dollar Tree packaged them up, actually, to just so their little tails don't break. money holders. There are new prints this year that we didn't have last year, and they're all foiled, lots of detail, really well done. Who's mailing out Christmas cards this year? Do you still do that? A few of you have been asking to see some of the new makeup, so I'm going to try to point out this store is really nicely stocked. Everything is pretty much in one section, so it makes it a little bit easier to view and share. Some of the Dollar Trees I go to, their makeup is on like the end caps or islands, so I really like that everything is here. I think some of this product is brand new. A lot of Ione and the Be Pure LA Colors has been around for many years, but there's a few new brands that are out that I don't even know what or how to pronounce the names. Wonder if this fits pens. For those of you who are crafters, these would be really good for paintbrushes as well. I think these are bronzers. They're also made by the Be Pure. I hear there's a dupe out there for two things. The glow recipe, which we found, and then there's, I don't know if it was Charlotte Tilbury, but if anyone knows, maybe write it down in the comments and I'll search for this stuff as well. These are cute, perfect for a stocking stuffer. Lip glosses. And there's, of course, lots of nail stuff. If anyone has a favorite cuticle oil, these are new to me. Let me know if they work well. Hydration set. I believe this is also new on the shelf. Charcoal cleansing mask. These are perfect if you're doing a Grinch tree. I love this, especially for a neutral or the greens as well for just a traditional. They're beautiful. They're velvety finish. So there's a couple different patterns here for the elf pick. One has red, yeah, so it's here. These are cute if you paint them brown and then add all the little white accents. So there are a few new mugs this year, and I was thinking of painting these ones and seeing if I can transform them. I don't know if anyone else has done that. They have cute prints, really pretty, some neutral, some more colorful. Look at the gorgeous bags. These are new to me. I don't think I've ever seen them in previous years. So there's the little bows, the candy cane, and the, what is this, mistletoe? Diamond art stickers. Oh, I have to grab this. Some really nice socks. I haven't seen them. Nope, hadn't seen them before. So these are in a couple places, on end caps and on the main area. These are so pretty. I'm tempted to buy them, but I just don't have use for them right now. There are a few designs in the different kits, so that's what I was looking at, but I'm making a terrible mess. So I'm thinking I'll choose one over the other. And there's some wrapping paper, lots of wrapping paper. I have not seen these little felt ornament kits anywhere. These are brand new to me. I don't know if they've just been put out. They have macrame kits as well. This is awesome. A little tree. Wood kits. The star here has 3 sizes. And then the heart as well. I think that's a pretty great value. If you're crafting something, you can Mod Podge a picture onto it, do the transfer. There's so many things you can do with these wood pieces. And cross stitch. I was hoping to make a cross stitch stocking for next Christmas, a really pretty, I'm not sure if I want to do like a Victorian style stitch, but that's something I have to look into. I was hoping to get some kits for card making. So these are brand new and do not look like a staple at Dollar Tree to me, at least, unless it's going to be. They're all glass beads, seed beads, which, oh my goodness, can do some really pretty ornaments. And they have white air dry clay, which I haven't seen in a while. Typically they have the orangey one. Lots of gold foiling, chunky glitter. Lots of crafty material here. Really pretty iridescent beads. These are plastic though. And then they have little kits as well. I keep looking at these little fabric cutout pieces. These are flannel and looks like they have some new winter prints here. How cute with the little green trees and the deer. What are you guys doing with them? I was playing with the glass here, so I thought I'd share with you. So these are candle holders, and then the vases. There's different styles of vases. I better move this one so it doesn't topple over and break. But look how big this one is. I haven't seen this one before. This one would be beautiful to stage some faux snow in it and then green trees. And you can do like heights, different heights. But what I was looking to do was grab one of these, E6000 to the candle holder. There's 2 options here. You can see the 2 different little bases. You can do a tall one, a lower one, and then you can use a faux candle, which Dollar Tree has the LED candles, or you can use a real one. You can also put something inside of it if you wanted to spruce it up, but for safety with the real candle, maybe not a good idea. But yeah, there's a few options, so just take a look at these pieces, and then you can create yourself a really nice candle holder, and it doesn't cost too much money. I was not expecting to find these giant kits of sprinkles. How awesome is this? So this is the Hot Wheels. I'm sure Barbie had a big one too, but I probably missed it. This is a fantastic value if you're making a birthday setup. You can do some really fun cupcakes or cake. And look at this. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
I didn't cry when you and I said goodbye, but then you turned around and my tears hit the ground. I thought, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet. Sweet Christmas. I walked by all these windows, there was light, people laughing, drinking wine. I wished you were by my side, thinking, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet. A bittersweet Christmas. When it's snowing down and I close my eyes, my tears shine like diamonds in the night. 'Cause where there is darkness, there is also